the first thing to understand is that when it comes to dua, we should keep in mind that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is perfect in all regards. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a being which has no flaw. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ki sifat kamila hai, which in other words means that there is absolute perfection in them. When we as human err because we assume things, and then this is generally as well, even when we are to have an opinion about somebody else, we develop that opinion based on how we see things, right? So ہم اپنے گمان کے مطابق دوسرے کا بارے میں بھی خیال ڈیولپ کر لیتے ہیں. If we have had personal experiences where we have been cheated a lot, the next person we will gauge him in the same manner. If we have certain limitations, we believe that maybe other is also confined with the same limitations and therefore he will not be able to do that, right? If we have difficulties buying something because of our financial constraints and somebody else we see spending lavishly, we say, oh, how could he spend so much? Like, oh wow, maybe for him it's just free change, maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given him so much, but we assume things about people based on what our own experiences is. And this is the same mistake that we repeat when it comes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well, because we think that because we have limitation in seeing, we have a limited sight, na'uzubillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would have the same problem. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he's al-basir. I mean, like he's absar. He has the best of the sights. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sees if there is a pitch dark, and on that pitch dark there is a black mountain, on that top of that black mountain there's a black ant crawling. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would even be able to see that black ant. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not limited in his vision. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is as-sami, he is asma. He has the best of the hearings that one can have. That means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not confined by, if for example when we have to speak to somebody and like now I'm talking to you and there's background noise that is coming, they have this desire that I should go and tell that person that speak a bit low because I have finding it difficult to listen to what is being said. If we are talking on a phone and there's somebody having a conversation in the room, we tell that people that please lower your voice, I'm struggling to listen to what is being said on the phone. There comes in Hadith Mubarakah that if from Adam alayhi salam till the last human that has to come on this earth, if all of these people gather in the same ground and everyone starts asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at the same time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would be able to listen and respond to everyone's request. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not confined. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the most perfect sifat and he listens to them, right?